Alright, well, I was down at my cousin's wedding this past weekend. As you can see, got this off because the new, I think it's like interlocking piece, they called it, well, 1209-4. This part arrived, and I'm going to get this out. It's a brand new one from brand new part from Western Colon here. Pretty much a replacement for this piece. You can see how much less worn the new one is. Just looking right there, you can see. So this should work nicely. I'm gonna probably get the wiring swapped over before I try to put it on this and get reassembled. But yeah. So hopefully this afternoon I should have this bell working again. I'll probably make another quick update to this part when I get the new piece in. Alright, here's the other part of the update to my Marshall's bell. As you can see, I've gotten it reassembled, got the new one in there. The old one is in my room. Had to file out the hole a bit because otherwise it'd be too stiff for it to move even after greasing it, but putting some, I put this back on, but yeah, just putting the, greased it anyways again, but getting that back together and the hole filed out, and now it works like. So yeah, I'm gonna have to make sure it stays out because if I push it all the way back, it likes to stick some, but like I have to put it back here. You'll see that it sticks in the lowered position, which was the issue I'd been having, but just pulling it out allows it to work fine. So yeah, so Marshall's bell's working. I'll probably see about getting this filmed soon. I also need to get that glued back into the door. But yeah, I just thought I'd show y'all that it's the new, well, operating link, which I think I call it like an interlocking link in the last part, but yeah, the new operating link is in and it works, which is nice to see. Over and out.